Hi, welcome to data exploration. In this video, we will discuss about the first stage of data exploration, that is reading the data. Let's get started. In the module Python for Data Analytics section, we saw how we can use pandas to read different file formats. In this video, we will have a look again at two very common different file formats. First, comma separated files, that is CSV files, and second, Excel files, that is .xlsx and .xls files. Let's have a look at the basic steps that we will be performing in the next video. First, we will be reading a CSV file using the read_CSV function. Then we will have a look at the size of the dataset using the shape function. Then we will see the name of the variables present in the dataset using the column function. And finally, we will have a look at the top 5 observations in the dataset using the head function. So let's move to the next video where we'll be implementing the operations in the Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.